Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today we are going to talk about one of the most trendy course of India, CFA. But before we start, a quick introduction about myself. This is Harsh Kataria, a CFA Level 2 cleared candidate. And yes, I have worked as an equity research analyst at a family office. So without any delay, let's start and talk about CFA. In this video, we are going to answer two main questions. The very first question is CFA worth it? And the number two, whether you should do CFA or not. So चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Let's start it. Answering to our very first question, is CFA really worth it? So I will answer this question from the two perspective. First, from the knowledge perspective, and second, from the money perspective. From knowledge perspective, 110%, 110% आपको ये कोर्स करना चाहिए. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, मैं आपको ऐसा क्यों कह रहा हूँ कि आपको 110% CFA करना चाहिए. बिकॉज आई चैलेंज यू टू पिकअप एनी फाइनेंस न्यूज़पेपर. कोई सा भी फाइनेंस न्यूज़पेपर आप उठाइए, बीट्स बिजनेस लाइन, बीट्स बिजनेस स्टैंडर्ड, बीट्स इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स, एंड रीड आउट एनी फाइनेंस आर्टिकल. कोई सा भी फाइनेंस आर्टिकल आप उसमें से पढ़िए, एंड आई एम डैम श्योर दैट यू विल नॉट इवन come across a single finance jargon which will be new to you once you complete your all three CFA levels. That's it. What else do you need? That's the beauty of CFA course. Everything, the very big universe of finance is taught to you in such a structured manner throughout all these three levels that your effort gets reduced drastically compared to if you would have done everything single-handedly, learned everything single-handedly, and just in a structured manner. So yeah, from the knowledge perspective, 110%, 110% you should go for CFA. Now, answering our question one from the second perspective, from the money perspective, कि पैसा कितना मिलेगा, कितना पैसा expect कर सकते हैं, कितनी salary expect कर सकते हैं as a fresher. So the answer would be, as a fresher with just CFA and graduation, you can expect something around 10 LPA once you complete all the three CFA limbs. Now anything above it, कुछ भी इसके ऊपर, maybe CA plus CFA, CA plus MBA, CFA plus MBA is an added advantage to you. So and it will definitely benefit you. Now answering our second question, क्या आपको CFA करना चाहिए? Then that depends कि आपको CFA करना क्यों है, आप क्यों कर रहे हैं CFA. जस्ट बिकॉज आपके आसपास सभी लोग CFA कर रहे हैं, जस्ट बिकॉज एवरी वन अराउंड यू इज डूइंग CFA, इसलिए आपको CFA करना है? then the answer is definitely not. आपको नहीं करना चाहिए CFA because it's big, it's huge, it requires time commitment. Maybe 2.5 और 3 साल आपकी लाइफ के आपको इसको देने पड़ेंगे. Then you should not go for it. But if you are someone who have figured out that the finance is your thing, आपको finance में नहीं जाना है and you want to learn it in a structured manner, you want to give it time, absorb it slowly, learn about it in a structured manner, then yes, you should not give this a second thought and you should go for CFA. So yeah, that was from my side on these two questions. Any further queries will be answered in the comment section. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. This is Harsh Kataya signing off. Thank you.